Hello guys, today we have Walther PDP. So this is a full-size, huge pistol, perfect for the sport. So let's check if it's clean or not. So first, check the chamber, zero magazine. Okay, it's empty. So you can buy our mat, and on the mat we need to use our disposable pad, which is covered by foil here, and here is an absorbing side. So here everything goes in, nothing goes through. Safety first, so we always use the gloves and the glasses. And this one you can find in our set. So, gloves. Let's rock. Okay. Oh my God. It's dirty as hell. So you can see it. It's not clean, guys. But we can handle with this. So, we always start from the bore foam. Shake it and full feed the barrel. Why? Because it solves the copper and the lead inside the barrel, and then it's very easy to remove. So we leave it for 5-10 minutes, and during this time we use our gun cleaner to clean the rest of the gun. So don't forget about the pipe, like this. Okay, shake it and let's rock. You see the highest pressure on the market, and the strong ingredients remove the dirt very fast. And to dry it, we use our gun care towel, which is hard to cut and it doesn't leave the small parts of the towel all over the gun. So it's very convenient. You can see, spray and clean. That's it. Let's take the slide. Shake it. The same story, gun cleaner here. Oh yeah. A lot of dirt. You can see. Don't forget about the fire pin channel. So, usually we recommend to disassemble this one and clean it. But, of course, we know that 99% of shooters won't do it. So that's why it's a fast, not perfect, but fast option. So just put the pipe here and spray. Oh yeah. And dry it with our towel. Yep. So, you can see the difference here. It's clean. Okay, so the spring, the same story, gun cleaner, dry it. And let's check the barrel inside. So, the forearm is still working. So, let's do the other step, next step. Let's use our care spray for preservation. So, we spray everything to protect all parts of the gun against corrosion. Here, don't forget about the fire pin channel here, like this. Yep. And spring. Okay. Let's check the forearm. Still working. So this is the mark of a good forearm. It full feed the barrel for 5-10 minutes. It won't be a water in 1 minute, okay? It's very important because in other case you have water in your barrel and you have half of barrel dirt. So it's pointless. Here we dry the pistol inside with our gun care towel. And of course, there are small parts which are very hard to reach, like here with mechanical stuff. So we can use compressed air. Fast and easy. Dry it. Don't forget about the fire pin channel as usual. The rails here. Okay, let's take the frame. The same story. We start with the gunker towel and magazine grip. Okay, and if we have part hard to reach with the mechanical stuff, we use compressed air to dry it. So you don't need to use any ear stickers or other thing. Just do it fast and easy. Okay, let's back to the barrel. So we remove the rest of the foam with our gun cleaner. Okay, we need to use brush, but you can see that only few moves of brush after gun cleaner and the chamber is clean. The same story with crown of the barrel, and we dry it with our gunker towel. And as you can see, the chamber is pretty clean. So now we use, after gun cleaner, always we use hairspray for protection. Let's spray it. Okay. Let's dry it. Yeah, now it looks really cool. And we need to use something inside the barrel to dry it. So we recommend our ball snakes. So remember about the dimension is 9mm, okay? The second thing, the ball snake should be a little bit cleaner than a barrel inside. This is a good workflow. And here you have two brushes. But the best thing, guys, is that if we point one time inside the barrel, here we can connect the ends. And now we have a loop. So you can do it really fast and easy, as always, with Rifle CX. 3-4 times, it's enough, just to make sure that the barrel inside is dry and clean. Okay. So guys, we have 2 steps behind us. Now it's time for the third step, lubrication. For this, we use our CLP oil. It's super efficient, so we use only few drops. Here, outside the barrel, you need to follow the scratches, okay? So we use only 2 drops. 1, 2. Here. Okay. The spring. And 1 drop each way. Only 1 drop. 1 drop here. 1 drop here. It's enough, guys. So you don't need to cover all gun with the oil. So we assemble this. Just reload 2 times. Make sure that the oil cover all surface. And now the gun looks awful. Okay, so we need to fix it. So we just take off the gloves, and we need our Rifle CX polishing towel. So we just remove the excess of the hairspray from the external parts of the gun. And you can see, our products are safe for light or optic. Of course, don't spray it, but if you want protect it properly, nothing happens. So here you can see the dry and shiny surface without oil film. What does it mean? You can put the gun into your holster, you can cover it with your t-shirt, no stains on your trousers or your t-shirts, and even when you reload a few times, there's no oil here. Why? Because we used only one drop each way. So the gun is dry outside, is lubricated, and it be very reliable by dozens of shots. This is the gun, but what about the table? Look at this. Clean table, clean carpet, clean mat, happy wife, happy life. And guys, one more thing. You often ask us, hey, what about optics? It's dirty after cleaning, blah, blah, blah. Okay, you can easily clean it with our ClearShot. So, we have anti-fog and optic cleaner named ClearShot, and the wipe, of course, Rifle CX. So, shake it and spray it like here. 1, 2. Now dry it. Yep. And yeah, I can see the red dot. So it's okay. Take care, guys.